Thank you to Cricut for sponsoring this video. You are watching DIY by Niky Foster. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Niky Foster, and on this channel I post budget-friendly and inspiring ideas. Previously on my channel, I shared part 1 of my Toddler bedroom makeover, where I painted the room, showed you how to do a DIY board and batten with the Ikea hack, and then also I showed you the final results. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you the rest of the room makeover. So now let's pick up where we left off. I'm reinstalling my shelf in the same place it was previously. There are already anchors in this wall, so I'm pretty much just drilling the screws back in. This is a shelf from Ikea. I'm also using the Ikea brackets, but I spray painted them gold a long time ago. Then I'll be moving the dresser to the corner of the room. Placing this bulky piece of furniture against the wall instead of right by the door allows a small room to feel more spacious when someone first walks in. Next, I roll out the area rug that I already had. Adding an area rug over an existing carpet offers texture and warmth to the room. Here on this wall, I'm adding some shelves for books. I chose clear acrylic shelves because it offers like a floating shelf look without taking up much space. I ended up finishing this, but then I'm bringing a book over because I like to see height, like to make sure I have enough space to put some of the tall books under. So I'm just using that as a guide. I finished installing the rest of the shelves and prep to do the next part of the project. Then Amor and I are gathering a few of Aries' favorite books and we're placing them on his new bookshelf for him.
This is Aries' favorite book, everybody. And soon I'm gonna put it right here, camera.
What do you mean soon? Do it right now.
And right about here. No, here. What's that?
For this project, I am going to be using 2 rolls of the Smart vinyl in the color grass. So this is the Smart removable vinyl, and I'm going to be using 2 rolls of these. And the color I'm using is grass because my son's room is green. And so I wanted to kind of play off that jungle vibe. Here I am in Cricut Design Space. I start by clicking New Project in the upper right-hand corner. Next, I'm using the standard template that is on the screen when you first open up Cricut Design Space. To make the removable wall decal that I'm doing in my project, select the text box. A box will appear, and here is where you enter in the text. I'm doing 2 separate files so that I can cut the letters as big as possible. So for the first one, I'm doing my son's first name, which is Ari, in all caps. So I write that in. Next, I rotate the text. I do this because I want my text to be cut out as long as the removable vinyl will allow. Then I resize my word. I stretch it by using this icon in the corner so that it just expands as large as I need it to. Just an FYI, I'm using Cricut Sans, which is a standard font that comes with Cricut Design Space. There are so many fonts to choose from here, but for what I'm doing, I just want to use a simple font, so I'm just going to stick with this one. I noticed that the font looks too spaced out for my liking, so I want to change the spacing. To do this, I make sure the word is selected, then I go over to Advanced, then Ungroup to Letters. Now I can move my letters around freely. I use my arrow key to move mine closer together, but keeping the height of the letters aligned. To regroup them all together, I select each letter, then hit Attach. Now I'm ready to print, so I go over to Make It in the top right corner. The review screen comes up. Here it tells you how long your artwork has to be, and you just press continue. I'm using Smart removable vinyl, so I select this option as my base material. So I'm actually going to be using the Cricut roll holder for Smart materials because I'm using this whole entire roll. These have grooves on the back which clamp down right onto the top of the Cricut Maker. So I'm just going to clamp mine down, and I'm going to put my roll in. It slides right down inside. So this light indicates that it's ready to go. It's going to start measuring. So the Cricut machine works its magic, measuring the materials. When I get a pop-up saying that I don't have enough material, I just click OK. From here, I can cancel the cut and press OK to confirm. Now I'm back into the template, and all I do is resize it until it fits my material length, which is 36 inches. I click Make It again. It takes me to the review artwork screen. I see now that I have enough material, just under 36 inches, so I go ahead and click continue. It measures the material length one more time and I'm good to go. I can now press the go button on the Cricut Maker machine. In Cricut Design Space, it lets me know what steps the actual Cricut machine is on. It lets me know that it's preparing, detecting, and then cutting the material. I'm just gonna go ahead and do it. The Cricut Maker 3 cuts the material out super precise and super fast. When it's done cutting, I remove the excess material around the letters that I don't need. I use the precision tool to peel the inner pieces of the letters. I take the Cricut transfer tape and place it on top of my letters. Once the transfer tape is placed on top, I then use the smoothing tool to make sure it's adhered well. Then I repeat the steps for the words Book Nook, designing it, cutting it, removing the negative space, using the transfer tape, and then smoothing it out. When I get to the room, I peel the back of the removable vinyl off. Then I adhere the words to the wall. I use the smoothing tool again here for proper placement. Then I peel the transfer tape from the wall slowly. Then I repeat the steps again. And this is how my Cricut wall decal turned out. So what I love about the Cricut Maker 3 is that you have so many options of materials to choose from. So you can choose from the removable vinyl to create like wall decals like I did. You can even go like a step up and use wood. Cricut has specific wood sheets that you can use with the Cricut Maker 3. So if you're looking to do like a toddler bedroom or any bedroom for that matter, you can use all these different materials to like upgrade your space. And that's one thing that I really like about the Cricut. I cannot wait to use this again and show you guys some other projects that I have in mind. If you are interested in getting a Cricut, you guys can click on the affiliate link that I have in my description box below. So thank you again to Cricut for generously sponsoring this video. To complete the Book Nook area, I'm adding 2 jute poofs that I got from Overstock. All right, so as you can see, I am sitting with the elephant. It is a laundry basket. My son like ripped the eye out and like the knob off the top of the, the laundry basket. So I still like this and I wanna use it even though it's well loved. So I bought this macrame cord from Michael's. I'm just gonna like make it look like an eye and like put like a hook or something at the top. So for this, I do have scissors that I'm using and I also have a glue gun. I start by taking a dollop of hot glue set on the high temperature. Then I add the first piece of macrame cord. I then take the cord, wrapping it around in a spiral-like motion. I add glue as I go around, creating an eye shape until it's the size that I want. Any frayed pieces I glue down. I then repeat this step on the opposite side as well. For the top of the basket, I start by putting a dollop of glue in the center. Then I take a piece of macrame cord, creating a small loop. Then I wrap the cord in a spiral-like motion on top to make sure it's secure. Now the laundry basket looks new again. I add a few accessories for the dresser. I'm actually using a twin size sheet set and comforter from Target. To get this full look on the bedding, I creased the comforter so it would fit. The print on the sheet was perfect for this toddler to preschool bedroom. I loved how there were so many different types of animals on it, like tigers, zebras, elephants, and cheetahs. And for extra texture, I'm using an ivory colored throw. I fold it in thirds and tuck the extra fabric on the side of the mattress. Another one of my little hacks is I like to create storage spaces for kids that are easily accessible but like easy to put away. So I'm actually going to be using like a clear storage bin. I got this from Container Store. I use this clear storage bin to put away some of his toys and puzzles. I love this solution because it's easy to see, it's easy to get to, and it's easy to put away. I'm actually just going to slide it a little bit. See? So cool. I bought this clear acrylic curtain rod from Amazon. I wanted to play off the clear acrylic shells. It comes with 2 gold finial caps. You guys know I love using curtain clips, so I'm using gold curtain clips that I had left over from another room makeover. I stopped at Ikea for curtains. I really love Ikea's prices for 2 curtain panels. These curtains are extremely long at 98 inches, and that's why I hung the curtain rod as high as I could. This trick also helps make the room appear larger. Last, I hang some DIY art prints and a mirror that I repurposed from another bedroom. And here is a look at the before of the bedroom. The beige color did nothing for the space at all. The new layout works so much better. The paint color adds a nice pop without being overwhelming. Before, the room felt small because of the layout and the color. I do love the board and batten. It makes the room feel larger overall. And this is a space that's going to allow my toddler to preschool age son to grow into. Also, I placed the mirror by the bed for now, but after seeing the room come together, I may want to do something a little more eye-catching in that space. I'm so excited about the DIY wall decal using my Cricut Maker 3. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to comment on what your favorite part of the video was in the comment box. For more extreme makeovers and other budget-friendly projects, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at It's Nicole Foster. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. I'm pretty sure he'll pull this off. Ugh. I'm just gonna try to think positive, pretend that he's not. Ugh.
Wait, okay, can you okay, can you did you cut it? Yes, Commander. See you later, alligators. Everybody in the video, give mommy 1,000,000,000 subscribers.